actually thought we were all gonna get out of here, you know? Why did she have to tell me that? And why can't I have something in my life that's special, that means something?
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never win this game without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you. I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb if you're not here. I'm paralyzed without you. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you.